Chapter 12, Lesson 2 looks at multiplying matrices by a scalar or by another matrix. This video will only look at scalar matrix multiplication. I've written an example out already for you to see how scalar multiplication works. The number you multiply by is a scalar, and it allows you to scale each element in the matrix. So this number here is considered the scalar. And as you can see, when you multiply by a scalar, you multiply each element of the matrix by the scalar. So when you multiply this 3 by this matrix, you are going to multiply each of the elements in this matrix by the number 3. And you can see here, you multiply 3 times 5, 3 times negative 1, 3 times 3, and 3 times 7. And then you simplify your result and you get this matrix right here. 3 times 5 is 15, 3 times negative 1 is negative 3, 3 times 3 is 9, and 3 times 7 is 21. So let's work through another example. Here I have written out two matrices, matrix A and matrix B. Matrix A has, let's see the dimensions, 1 row, 2 rows, by 1, 2, 3 columns. And matrix B has 1, 2 rows by 1, 2, 3 columns as well. We always want to check our matrix sizes just to make sure before we start adding or subtracting them, to make sure that we can. So the very first thing that they're asking us to do in this example is to find 4A and then to find 3 times the matrix B and add the 2 resulting matrices. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to find 4 times matrix A. That means we need to multiply every element in matrix A by the number 4. And when we do that, we get 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 8 is 32. 4 times negative 3 is negative 12. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. 4 times 5 is 20. 4 times 2 is 8. The next thing we need to do is we need to multiply or scale matrix B by 3. So we need to multiply every element in matrix B by the number 3. 3 times negative 1 is negative 3. 3 times 0 is still 0. 3 times 5 is 15. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. Now that we've scaled our matrices, we can go ahead and add our 2 matrices, like we did in section 12-1. So the resulting matrix is 8 plus negative 3 is 5. 32 plus 0 is 32. Negative 12 plus 15 is 3. Negative 4 plus 0 is negative 4. 20 plus 9 is 29. And 8 minus 6 is 2. So the answer to this matrix scalar multiplication and addition is this matrix right here. Okay, so on your own, I want you to go ahead and use matrix A and matrix B, and I want you to find the answer to this. 3A minus 2B. Make sure you scale your matrices first, which is what we did in this example, and then subtract the results to get your answer. Good luck.